Graph the following function on the given domain. Indicate whether the endpoint is included on the graph using a closed or open dot. So this function here is a line. And we know how to graph lines, or you should be comfortable with that. We have a y-intercept of -2, and then we have a slope of -3. So slope, remember, is rise over run. So I have a rise of -3, so 1, 2, 3, and a run of 1. Or you can reverse that, and instead of going down 3 over 1, you can go up 3, back 1. Regardless how you do it, you should feel pretty comfortable at this point drawing the equation of a line. So there's my line. The only difference in this line is that it is subject to this domain right here. So it's only defined for x values that are bigger than, or sorry, less than -1. So here's -1. And here's all the values that are less than -1. So the only points on my line that actually exist start from the y value corresponding with this x value and all of the ones back here defined. These values up this way aren't actually part of my line, and really neither is this domain. I just put it in for emphasis. So this is what my line looks like subject to that restriction. In order to graph this in the homework system, we use the tool set provided, a line through 2 points, a segment between 2 points, or a ray starting at 1 point, passing through the other, and an open and closed circle. So x is less than -1. We found that y value, and if you've forgotten where it is, you can actually take this x value, plug it in, and come up with the y value. So -3 times -1 is +3 minus 2. So that would give me a location of -1. So at -1, oh sorry, -1, +1, I believe. Let's double check that. So 3 minus, so +3 because the negatives cancel, minus 2, so that's +1. So -1, +1. It looked like I actually had it on the axis when I drew it in, and it's a little difficult to be perfectly precise when you're drawing in that way. But this is where it should be. And now from that point, I need to draw in the rest of the line. And it's only defined back here. So from this point, I can still use my slope to find the next point. But the thing is, if I use my slope as is, if I go down 3 and over 1, it's going to put me here. But that's not part of my domain, so I actually have to reverse it. Like I said, I need to go up 3 and back 1 instead. And it does look like this red point here has filled in the open circle. That's not the case. If you click back on the circle tools, it will show you that it's definitely left as a open circle. Now when we submit, we get the correct answer.